Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE ROD and Spring ASM 5.2 PS part WH03X31498. GE ROD and Spring ASM 5.2 PS part WH03X31498 is a part used in washing machines manufactured by GE. It is a rod and spring assembly that is 5.2 inches long and is used to help support the agitator in the washer tub. The rod and spring assembly helps to keep the agitator from moving too much during the wash cycle, which can cause damage to the washer tub or other components. The part number for this assembly is WH03X31498 and it should be replaced if it becomes worn or damaged. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the top panel of the washer to the cabinet. 3. Lift up and remove the top panel of the washer. 4. Locate and remove the 2 screws that secure the agitator to the drive shaft. 5. Lift up and remove the agitator from the washer tub. 6. Remove any debris or dirt from around the drive shaft area with a damp cloth or vacuum cleaner attachment. 7. Place a towel on top of the drive shaft to protect it from damage while you are working on it. 8. Slide off any. Here is how you install this part. This part is used to repair a broken or damaged door latch assembly on a washing machine. It can fix symptoms such as the washer not starting, the door not closing properly, or the door not locking. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.